Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from HomeEditionPlus.com, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the anti-siphon valve on an outdoor water spigot. What we have here is we've had one that's been leaking this spring when we turn on the valve, and the reason for that is the little plastic anti-siphon valve on top has got a crack in it. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. You can buy a wall hydrant vacuum breaker replacement kit at any hardware store. It costs roughly $7 or $8. And it's a pretty simple project to do. So watch how we do this. So the first thing you want to do is turn water off to the spigot inside the house. So down in our basement, about a foot in, there's a valve that I turned off so that I can be assured no water is going to pour out of this spigot when I'm working on it. So after I do that, the next thing I'm going to do is basically remove the screw that holds the handle on, like that. Then this will allow you to get to this anti-siphon valve easier. Basically, you have to pry this off. You want to do it gently so that you don't crack it. Once you remove that anti-siphon valve, just put it to the side. And hopefully, with any luck, the anti-siphon valve itself is loose, and you just unscrew it, like we've got here. And though it's hard to see, this particular anti-siphon valve has a crack in it, and that's why it was leaking. So now I'm taking the new replacement wall hydrant vacuum breaker valve assembly, putting in the small piece right into the base of the larger piece, and then just going to put this down and screw it into the spigot. I want to basically just do it finger tight. Don't want to over tighten it. And this one came with a new cap. We'll just pop this on like that. We'll reattach the handle. We'll tighten up the screw. And then we'll go turn water back on in the basement, and then we'll test this new anti-siphon valve to see if it's all working nicely. Okay, so I've turned the valve back on to the spigot inside the basement. All we've got to do now is turn the faucet back on, and we'll see if we have any leaks. And as you can see here, no leaking around the anti-siphon valve, none around the handle. It's working absolutely perfectly. It cost me about $7 for that replacement part and about 5 minutes of effort. If you have other home improvement questions, make sure to visit HomeEditionPlus.com today.